Hello everyone, we are from College Vocational Sungai Petani 2 and this is all the members that took part for this project. Introduction. Table setting is a compulsory skill that all culinary arts students from vocational college in Malaysia have to master. Table setting is a technical term used in the catering industry to set the tables for all dining occasions with complete flatware, cutlery, glassware, dinnerware and napkin. All students have to be competent in testing the correct utensil according to the menu served, either table d'hôte or a la carte. Next, problem statements. Students are facing difficulties in remembering the arrangement of the table setting correctly, and students could not acquire the table setting skill within the time allocated for the practical course. The objective is to identify the potential of the S-board as an effective teaching aid, the student's level of mastery in setting the table using the S-board, and the last one, to identify the potential of the S-board as a commercial teaching tool. Before the S-board was introduced, students were trained to set the table with the help of diagrams from the lecturer notes or practical paperwork. Based on diagram, students will practice repeatedly in order to be competent in that skill. Students only have a total 8 hours allocated for their practical activity for this course as mentioned in the course outline. The aim of the S-board is to help the weak students in memorizing the arrangement of the utensil and dinnerware pieces for the table setting in the correct order when completing their competency skill in food and beverage service course for culinary arts program in College Vocational Sungai Petani 2. The TS board is designed to help increasing the student's skill in the table setting within the time allocated for this practical course. To deal with the problem, a teaching aid made of thick cardboard known as TS board is designed to aid students in memorizing the arrangement for the table setting in the correct order in no time. Next, the TS board has the outlines of the Excel, utensil and dinnerware pieces used. Students will place each utensil and dinnerware on the outlines of the template in the correct order as labeled. And the last one, a cheap and portable TS board will aid students to use it for their course.
Next, we're just going to demonstrate the step in arranging the cutlery using the S-board. Students are giving time to identify the cutlery to be used in the step in arranging. Students going to practice to arrange the cutlery and dinnerware using the TS board and without using the TS board.
The impact able to produce an effective teaching aid. Students are able to acquire the table setting skill in just 4 hours of practical as compared to 8 hours when not using the TS board. Able to improve the skill and quality of the teaching and learning process. From the observation, 100% students become competent in the table setting skills when using the TS board in the process of teaching and learning. TS board also potential to be commercialized using a more durable and easier to handle materials. For example, high-density polyethylene, aluminum, and stainless steel board. This innovative product can be marketed to help all culinary arts students at the vocational colleges, higher institutional learning, and any related food service industries. Let's look on the step to use the TS board. Step 1. The instructor gives a description of the table d'hôte or a la carte menu set. Step 2. The instructor introduces the type of cutlery. Step 3. The instructor explains the arrangement of the cutlery in sequence. Step 4. The instructor shows how to arrange the cutlery without using TS board. Step 5. Arrange the cutlery using the TS board. Step 6. Students are given time to identify the cutlery and the sequence of the cutlery. Step 7. Students use the TS board to do practical exercises. Step 8. Students do practical exercise without using TS board. That's all from us. Thank you so much for lending me your ears. See you next time. Bye bye.